Hey, how y'all doing? This is Gary Bledsoe coming to you from whoisgarybledsoe.com, and I want to give you another unboxing of Basic Man. And I don't know if I explained to you last time, but Basic Man is basically where you're able to pay only 20 bucks a month and you're able to get a t-shirt, you're able to get a pair of underwear, and you're able to get a pair of designer socks. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is my first order. Actually, this is one of the t-shirts that I have on right now. I like this t-shirt. I like the way it feels. The underwears, oh my gosh, they're like boxer briefs. I really love the way they feel, nice and soft, not too tight, not too loose, feels just right on me. The socks are perfect. I love the designer socks. Well, I have another package I just got in right here. Another package of Basic Man. I know it's probably backwards, but this is the second one. I actually did a promo where I'm pretty sure you probably can get the same thing, where you buy one and you get two of them. But unfortunately, they didn't have it at the time, so I would have did two unboxings on my first unboxing. But this time, I was able to get. They said that because of the mistake, they sent me an email, good customer service. They were able to send me another package a couple of weeks later, and here it is. And I'm going to unbox it, and we're going to take a look and see what it's all about. So I'm going to pull out my trusty knife here, and we're going to go ahead and get started on this unboxing. Let me see if I can open it without using a knife, if I can. Oh, I've been exercising a little bit, so maybe I can do it. Oh, I don't need the knife. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, let me close the knife up so I don't hit myself by accident. All right, let me pull out the first item. Oh, they gave me, oh yeah, all right, look at this. The first item is a t-shirt, Basic Man t-shirt, extra large. Been putting on some pounds here, so extra large here. All right, let's see. Extra large, looks like it's, I'm partially getting older now, so I'm partially colorblind, so sometimes I can't quite see it, but looks like it could be gray. I like it. I like the quality. Right now I can tell right away the quality is really, really, really good. I love the quality of it. Okay, so let's put that off to the side. I got a pair of, what are these called? No Look socks. They're like slip socks, slip socks. I like these, different colors. Pretty cool. I like them. But it has the Basic Man logo, basic logo on it. I like that. Basic Man, made by Basic Man, as you can see. Also, and the good thing that I like about Basic Man is that their socks always match their underwear. They always match their underwear. So, and let's feel the quality, make sure it's the same as before. Oh, I love the way these underwears feel. Pretty cool. Nice and soft. Has the Basic Man logo right there, as you can see. And as you can see, it matches the socks. And if I wanted to go all out, look, looks pretty nice together. I love Basic Man. And in this video here, I supplied the link, which is whoisgarybledsoe.com /undergear. You should take a look at it, try it out for yourself. I'm not really sure if they give any promos. I think they do, but if they do, you should go ahead and take advantage of it. I know that you can go to this Target, you can go to Walmart, and you can go buy a whole pack for $20, things like that. But if you want something a little different in your life, a little spice in your life, I always say the most valuable asset everybody has is time. Time has to be spent correctly, and if you want to be able to just have an auto ship set up, have your money set up where they just automatically take it out, the 20 bucks, which is not a lot. Take the 20 bucks out, and then they go ahead and send you these underwear. In 12 months time, you'll have 12 nice soft pair of boxer brief underwears. I love these, the way they feel. You'll have a nice soft pair. In 12 months time, you'll have 12 pairs of these. It's only 5 days in a week, and you'll be able to have, in 12 months time, you'll have nice t-shirts. And what I like about the t-shirts is that they want you to wear your t-shirts a lot. And inside your t-shirt, there's a date. That date basically right there, wait, let me see if I can get it right there. That date right there, and the date basically says destroyed by September 1st, 2020. So they want you to wear this, but by then they feel like it's probably going to be dingy, it's going to be used a lot, so they want you to destroy it by that time. So I hope you like this video. I hope if you do, please go ahead on, start your subscription to Basic Man. You will not be disappointed. It is really, the quality is unbelievable, because I could definitely go and, to get the same quality. Now hear me out. quality, it's not quantity. Quantity is when you pay $20 and get a whole bunch of packs from Target, from Amazon, or from Walmart. Yeah, you can go do that. But if you want quality, the quality in this, you're not gonna pay $20 for. If you get 6 in there, you won't be able to. These alone, just the underwear, the way it feels alone. If you don't believe me, try it one time. Just try it one time. And if the quality's right here, I guarantee it's worth well more than $20. These probably are about, I'd say maybe like $18.99, just these underwears by itself. They're very, very high quality. And if you don't believe me, try it yourself. So with that being said, I see you all at the top. Love you all. Have a good one.